This is a 2012 Acura TL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 18-inch alloy wheels, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an electronic throttle, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.